That's pretty awesome.
Bye.
Oh, bye. Well, that was close.
Ah. Bye, guys. Have fun. I'll see you in a couple hours. I love a little bit of alone time. It's really nice. So, the year 2020 is behind us, which I'm kind of excited about. Like, some messed up stuff happened. And though it's not the fault of the year, you're taking the rap for it. So we've been doing the HelloFresh. This is our second week doing it. And it's actually really fun, and I didn't expect it to be, but the cool thing is Michelle can make them, which is awesome. So Michelle's actually really enjoyed taking everything out and learning how to cook with ingredients that are already given to you. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going with it, but the first 2 weeks have been pretty cool. Oh no, they're home. How'd you do? You've been gone all day. How was your lunch? How was your time? Hey, what did you get? Nice! Let me say, Azula? Azula. This thing is awesome.
When me and Michelle started, it was a C, so Zuko.
Ah, nope. What did you get? Anything good?
I got a bunch of stuff at Claire's.
Ooh, Claire, nice. What is this thing?
Choker.
Wow, that's nice.
And I'm giving the other one to my best friend.
Nice.
Baby, that's my plan. Baby, that's my plan.
Miles, you said that was a collectible. You cannot open that.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
But it comes with playthings, like it's an action figure.
No, it's a collectible. You just keep it in the box and put it on the shelf.
Baby, that's my plan. And you don't understand. And you don't understand.
Wow, Miles, this thing's pretty cool, man. Are you a big Avatar, The Last Airbender fan?
Yeah.
What's this guy's name?
Aang. Oh, and in the Avatar movie, they call him On.
They do?
Yeah.
That's not his name,
No, it's Aang.
right? Hey, Michelle.
What?
Would you like to make HelloFresh for us?
Yeah.
I'm not helping.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the fire and I'll do the knives.
Okay.
Are you sure you're not interested in cutting some onions? Fine. It's time for you to chop the cilantro.
What is
Hold on. What are you doing with those?
I don't want the onions to squirt in my eye.
Alright, fine. Just so that I have this recorded to use against you later in life, repeat what you just said to me.
I know this might sound weird coming from me, a kid, but can you give me more chores?
Yes? I would be happy to give you more chores. I will make you a list.
I was just thinking like 2 or 3.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I don't want a list.
I'm editing this part out. You just want chores. All right, we're just about done with dinner.
Yep.
Scale of 1 to 10, how easy was this to make?
1 meaning like
Super duper hard and
10.
being super easy. Wait. Wait. What? 1 being super easy and 10 being super hard.
2.
Whoa!
3.
Ooh.
3.
Okay. Go get the tortillas.
Okay.
Michelle,
What?
your tacos look amazing.
Thank you.
Are you gonna take the first bite and let us know how it is?
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for mommy. Finally!
Late to the party, as always,
I didn't finish recording.
it's Amanda.
This looks so
I did-
good.
Didn't Michelle do such a good job? She did it all herself. I only did the fire and the sharp things.
No way!
Yep.
It looks like a professional restaurant.
Right?
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
You're not gonna put the two together?
No.
Thinking outside the box, I love it.
Okay, you ready? Whoa.
On purpose.
And on purpose means,
Intentional.
and intentional means,
On purpose.
and on purpose means,
Intentional.
One eternity later.
and potential means.
On purpose.
Word has lost its meaning.
I know.
It's like that game of telephone.
And on purpose means.
One person.
Miles, I feel like you found the new popular way to eat tacos. Look how he's holding it. Look at the grip he has on it. Oh, man.
I do have a good breath.
Yeah, you're like choking the life out of it. Go. Strangle it.
Tacos don't stand a chance.
Nibble at it like a bird. Your dinner was amazing. 2 thumbs up. Great job.
It's called Lunar.